you're creating content in 2026, you've probably run into the same problem I did. One AI tool for images, another for videos, another for effects, another for editing. At some point, creating content becomes more about managing tools than actually creating. So I started looking for a better workflow. That's when I found PixVerse. The biggest challenge for creators today isn't imagination, it's execution. Most creators already have great ideas. The problem is turning those ideas into professional quality content without spending hours jumping between different platforms. Every extra step slows down the creative process. And when inspiration hits, the last thing you want is a complicated workflow. That's why I've been using PixVerse to streamline my AI content creation process. PixVerse is an AI creation platform designed to help creators transform ideas into cinematic visuals and engaging videos. Instead of juggling multiple tools, everything feels much more connected and efficient. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, marketing campaigns, or personal projects, PixVerse makes the process incredibly simple. The goal isn't to replace creativity. It's to remove the friction between your idea and the final result. Let's start with a simple concept. I want to create a futuristic cyberpunk city filled with flying vehicles, neon lights, cinematic camera movements, and a highly realistic atmosphere. Normally, bringing something like this to life would require advanced editing skills, expensive software, and a lot of production time. But here's how I do it with PixVerse. I simply enter my prompt and describe exactly what I want to create. The more detailed the prompt, the more control you have over the final result. Next, I select the generation model and adjust the settings depending on the style I'm aiming for. Whether it's realistic visuals, cinematic storytelling, or creative concepts, PixVerse gives you multiple options to experiment with. Now comes the fun part. With a single click, PixVerse starts transforming the idea into visual content. Instead of spending hours building scenes manually, AI handles most of the heavy lifting. And here's the final result. What's impressive is how quickly a simple idea can become something that looks professionally produced. The cinematic movement, the visual quality, the atmosphere, the level of detail. This is exactly why AI-powered workflows are becoming essential for modern creators. Not because they replace creativity, but because they allow creators to focus more on ideas and storytelling. What I like most about PixVerse is the simplicity. I don't need to bounce between 5 different platforms just to create one piece of content. Everything feels faster, smoother, and much more creator-friendly. For anyone producing content regularly, saving time without sacrificing quality is a huge advantage. Creators don't need more complicated tools. They need a better workflow. And that's exactly what PixVerse helps with. If you want to turn your ideas into professional quality AI content faster and more efficiently, check out PixVerse using the link in my bio. Stop scrolling. Start creating.